Motorola has released their flip phone for 2025, and they released 3 models. The base model is the Motorola Razr, the second model, which is the Motorola Razr Plus, and their high-end flip phone, which is the Motorola Ultra. And these phones are one of the best flip phone you can get in the market. So this is AB Tech. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting tech news like this. Just like as I said before, Motorola released flip phones. The base model, which is the Motorola Razr, cost $699, and the Motorola Razr Plus, which cost $999, and the Motorola Razr Ultra, which costs $1,299. Motorola Razr and Motorola Razr Plus have the same display, which is 6.9 LTPO AMOLED display with 165 refresh rate and 3000 nit brightness, just as you can see. While the Motorola Razr Ultra is 7 inches and it goes on AMOLED display, and it also have 165 Hz refresh rate with 4500 nit brightness. When it comes to the external display, all the 3 models come with 4 inches AMOLED screen, and their processor is Snapdragon 8 Elite. While their RAM, the Motorola Razr come with 8 GB of RAM, while the Motorola Razr Plus come with 12 GB of RAM, while the Ultra model comes with 16 GB of RAM. And their storage capacity, the Motorola Razr Plus come with 128 GB of RAM, while the Motorola Razr Plus come with 256 GB of RAM, and the Ultra come with 512 GB of RAM. The camera model, the rear camera model for these 3 phones are the same because they come with 50 megapixel rear camera, while the Ultra model come with a triple 50 megapixel rear camera. Now, when we come to the front camera, all the 3 models come with 32 megapixel lens camera. And in their battery capacity, the Razr and the Razr Plus come with 4000 milliamp hours of battery, while the Razr Ultra come with 4700 milliamp hours of battery. So talk about the charging capacity. Both the Razr and the Razr Plus come with 45 watts wired charging with 15 watt wireless charging, but the Ultra model come with 68 wired charging, while they also come with 30 wireless charging, which is a very big upgrade. Now, when we come to the durability, all these phones, they come with a titanium hinge and 48 water and dust resistance. Now, for the software, they are all on Android 15 plus Moto AI. So you can start pre-ordering these devices starting from May 7, and with the official sales starting on May 15. And I know a lot of you will be asking, what about the trading option? Don't worry, as soon as Motorola release this on their website, I'm going to drop it here for you to know.